everybody, it's me, Lady Carrie Lee, your girl. Yes, your girl. Today's video, I got some good stuff for you guys. Yes, I do. But before I get into that, what are you gonna do? You're gonna show me some love and subscribe if you haven't already. You're gonna like, you're gonna comment because you guys love me. And don't forget to turn on your little post notifications bell so you can always watch videos with more. Yes, yes. So today's video, what we're gonna be doing is do it yourself Mod Podge wine glitter glasses. Yes, guys, I'm excited. Hey everybody, it's Lady Carrie Lee, your girl. Don't forget to show me some love and hit that subscribe button. Share away, tell your peoples about me, and turn on your post notifications bell on right now. Alright guys, let's get into this do-it-yourself Mod Podge wine glasses. So today I got my 2 wine glasses. Ding ding. I got some glitter. Yes, alright. I got some onyx, some black glitter. This was so pretty, guys. And when I picked this glitter out, I kid you not, this reminded me like of a beach kind of theme color. And guys, you know what this glitter's name is? Caribbean. I was like, what? Caribbean style, yes. So what I'm gonna be doing, I have the little glasses here for the Mod Podge because I just don't want to dip the sponge brush, I guess, to do the shenanigans and stuff. So here we go. This is my first attempt trying to do this, so judgment-free zone here, okay guys? All right, so what I have also is some tape here, and I'm gonna tape off the section where I want the Caribbean glitter on. Because I kind of want to do it two-tone, but we'll see how that goes. So right now, I'm going to put this baby on right now. It's not going to be perfect, but it's do-it-yourself, guys. All right, let's do it right here. Bam, bam, Uncle Sam. All right, this shit better look fire, guys. Oh my gosh, this tape. Yo, the tape does not have to be so perfectly aligned. Look, bam. All right, let's do glass number 1, right? Got the tape on there because I don't want it anywhere else. I'm gonna pour the Mod Podge right now into this little glass container that I have going. You wanna make sure that you have enough Mod Podge for your glass. So what I'm gonna be doing right now, all right, dip in, dip it, dip it, dip it. Spread all that white stuff on your glass, and let's get this party started. Alrighty, it's gonna be exciting. All right, I see that I have a black paper on the bottom, guys, for my glitter, the excessive glitter, because I don't want to waste glitter. Like, why would I want to do that? So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be evenly coating the wine glass or whatever you're wanting to make glasses with. I don't know. I had like a brain fart, guys. Like, I still have that mom brain. Like, I don't want to get the bottom of the glass because I want it to stand straight and not be all lumpy. So here we go, evenly coating here because I want to make sure that this glitter is gonna stick on this baby. All right, so we're evenly coating this, guys. Let's do this. All right, that looks good. All right, I'm gonna dip it one more time, guys. Make shit look fire. Fire for your mama. Smells so not painty, like glue. Though it's Mod Podge glue. Alright. This is the first time I'm doing this, guys. This better look A1. My gosh. Alright. Why isn't it evenly spreading? Alright. Alright, guys. Let's get into the glitter stage. Yes. All right. I'm gonna put this on the side. All right, guys. So like I said, I got this little black thing here to catch up all my glitter because I want it to look nice. All right, got my Caribbean glitter, and let's get this party started. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it reminds me of like a mermaid. Yes. Get all that glitter on, baby. Yes. It's looking so cute. Get all up in there. Get up, get up, get up, girl. Guys, it's looking so cute. And I will do a second coat on it, but it says 15 to 20 minutes. So once like the glue is a little bit dried on there, I'm gonna do another coat so it can look cute. Yeah. So all my excessive glitter so far. This is the glass. It's sticking on there so good. You wanna tap it, tap it, tap it to have that excessive other glitter off of your thing. But you see, I'm gonna make it a little bit more darker and I'm gonna add another tint to it when this dries. So 15 to 20 minutes, let this dry. Let's shake a little bit more on here. And like I said, guys, this is do it yourself. So let's shake, 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 shake. Shake your glass. Shake your glass. All right, gonna let that one dry for 15 to 20 minutes, guys. So I'll be back. All right, so I'm touching it. It's dry right now, but what we're gonna do a second coat to make it look fabulous. Get the glue, have the glitter ready, and let's coat this baby up one more time, evenly, guys, evenly. All right, so here we go. I'm coating it one more time so it can look beautiful, okay? That is what we're doing here. And this is how you make do-it-yourself glitter wine glasses. Mod Podge, glitter, a sponge brush, and if you want, a piece of paper so you can recycle that glitter. Like I said, we're not wasting glitter here, okay, guys? Oh my goodness. It is looking so cute, guys. I can't believe I did such a good job doing this. Like, this is my first attempt ever doing this, and I think it's coming out beautiful. Like, who doesn't want glitter wine glasses? Right? Who doesn't want glitter wine glasses? So, this is what I'm doing in activities wise, you know, because everyone, you know, has curfew or whatever, or just because. And I like doing little art projects. I love art, guys, so that is totally me. And I figured I've been wanting to decorate my wine glasses for a while, and I was like, this is so perfect. Why not do Mod Podge glitter glasses? All right, so I'm gonna make sure this is even here. Yes. Again, I think you guys definitely should do this. And if you guys do, comment below. Send me some pictures. I would love to see your masterpieces for sure. I want to see that. I want to see how they look, because they look awesome. They look so cute. All right, guys. I'm going to put the second coat of glitter now. Hold on, I'm just making sure that it's evenly coated on. No lumpiness. Yes, yes. I'm so proud of myself. You see how good I talk about myself? It's good to talk good about yourself, guys. All right, got the white stuff on. All right, now I'm gonna put the glitter on again. Let's hold the glass like this. All right. All right, glitter time. Yes. Fall, my pretty. Fall prettily. Yes, oh my gosh, guys. I'm so in love. really love this color, and I'm obsessed with blue overall. So when I saw this, I was like, "Ugh, I need to have this. Why hasn't this been in my life? What is going on here? Why? Like, why aren't you in my life already?" Like I said, guys, we're gonna tap that excessive glitter off, cause don't shake it like that. Don't shake it like that. We're nice to the glasses. We're nice to the wine glasses. Gotta practice, guys. Like my wine glass, yeah, I made it. I know. I know. Me practicing, guys, when I'm drinking with friends, you know. I know, isn't it cute? Who would have thought I made this? Who? Dog me. Alright, guys, so I got it down pat. Yo, this shit looks awesome. I'm in love with this. I'm in love. I'm so happy it came out really good, guys. So I'm gonna let this one dry. And then if I see any more spots that need to be done, basically just retouch it up, guys. Simple. That is it. Yes. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching this. And don't forget to save this glitter. It's very important to restore your glitter inside your glitter container. Caribbean glitter is a must. It's a must. It looks so beautiful, like aquamarine, like ooh. We can't go to the beach, y'all. Bring the beach here. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching how to do your do-it-yourself wine Mod Podge glitter glasses. I'm so in love with this. Like, I think I might sleep with this. Thank you, everyone. That's it. Yeah, I am weird. Bye, guys. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot to tell you guys, don't forget to subscribe, share, love, more, because I know you guys like this video. It was A1. It was A1, guys.